Hello friends, in this class we will be seeing something very new, something very exciting to learn. Yes, it is nothing but the patterns. Do you know what is a pattern? What do you mean by pattern? Pattern is something where we see a same set of things happening in one group. Okay? For example, in the morning, early morning, when you see the crows crowing in your near your house, right? Can you hear that caw caw sound when they crow early morning? You can hear, right? Can you hear a cuckoo singing song? Yes. Morning when you go to school, do you hear the bell sound of your school? When the periods are about to start, when the class is about to begin, when you have a break time, you have a calling bell ringing, right? So, do you hear the same frequency of the sound? Yes. So, when the calling bell ring, you know the sound is tring and you are able to feel the sound. When you go to a temple or any worship place, you can hear the sound of the bell and that is different. Someone comes to your house and when they ring the calling bell, can you hear the sound? It is a different sound, right? When you clap your hands, can you hear a sound? Yes. So, we identify the different sounds hearing the note of it, the rhythm of it. You know when a bird chirps in the morning, when a bird sings in the morning, you can identify. You need not have to see a crow there. When you hear the sound caw, 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 you know very well, yes, it is a crow that is crying outside. When you hear a bhaw bhaw sound, you know which animal is it? Yes, it is a dog. So even when you are in your house playing with your friends or with your family, when you hear a bhaw bhaw sound, you know it is a dog that is barking outside. When you hear meow meow, then you know it is a cat. We identify who is coming or who is calling us or what is nearby us through the pattern of sounds. Okay, so today we will be covering the various forms or the various patterns of sound and color, and we will be able to identify which category of group will fall in one form and what are the different ways in which we can divide things in similar groups. So, shall we begin our class? Are you all ready for your classes? Let's start now. So, now today I am just going to recite a poem for you. We'll see and we will understand the pattern in it. Okay? On my way to school, Mati is going to school. On the way, she hears many sounds. She is enjoying the patterns in it. Let us go along with her and enjoy it. Okay? Even when you go to school, can you hear different sounds? You can hear a bird chirping. You can hear a dog barking. You can hear a cow mooing. Right? Then you can hear the horns of the buses, the trucks, the autos and the cars. You can hear the beep beep sound. Right? So, we will see what Mati is hearing when she goes for school. Okay? Now, we will have a picture here. See the picture. What is there in the picture? There is a crow which is cawing on the, sitting on the branches of the tree and cawing loudly. You can hear the caw caw sound? Yes. Then there is a bird again chirping, sitting on the top of the branches. We have a cow, we have a cat, we have a goat, and we have a street dog. So many different sounds this Mati is hearing when she is going to school. Then there is an auto coming, right? Can you see an auto? You can hear even the horns of the auto, right? When it is coming. So you are able to identify what are the different sounds of animals and what are the different sounds of a vehicle. Right? So now I am going to recite a poem for you, and here we will note the different patterns of sounds. So when I sing, please join and we will sing together. Shall we begin? Clap, clap, clap. I am happy at my home, so I clap, clap, clap. Yes? Did you hear the clapping sound? Shall we do it again? Yes. Clap, clap, clap. I am happy at my home. Clap, clap, clap. Yes? Snap, snap, snap. I am happy at my school, so I snap, snap, snaps. Was there a difference in clapping and snapping? Yes, right? Stamp, stamp, stamp. I am happy at my class, so I stamp, stamp, stamp. Tap, tap, tap. I am happy everywhere, so I tap, tap, tap. Shall we all repeat it once again? Yes, come on. Clap, clap, clap. I am happy at my home, so I clap, clap, clap. Snap, snap, snap. I am happy at my school, so I snap, snap, snap. Stamp, stamp, stamp. I am happy at my class, so I stamp, stamp, stamp. Tap, tap, tap. I am happy everywhere, so I tap, tap, tap. So children, did you enjoy this poem? Yes, I enjoyed it very much. So what did you notice in this poem? Here, using our different organs of our body, we were able to make different noises, right? You could hear the clapping, you could hear your snapping, you could hear your stamping and the tapping. Though you are only making the noise, but the sounds were different to hear. So you can categorize them in different patterns. Did you enjoy? Shall we move with the next slide? Yes. So now, here we will be doing a different pattern exercise. So when I tell you to clap once, you have to clap once. Okay. Now, if I say one, you all should do it once. Okay. So is it, you can hear the sound? Now, we will be doing the clapping 2 times. Shall we repeat it again? Shall we do it once again? Shall we do it 3 times? Again? Once more? So what did we notice? That the patterns were changing. When I asked you to clap once, it was only one echoing of the sound. When we did twice, it was, and when we did it thrice, it was. So did you understand the pattern of sound? Was it interesting to learn? Yes, great. So now we will be moving to the different types of sounds made by different objects. So friends, just now we saw the different patterns of sound. How we can categorize different sounds in different category. Like we can categorize birds separately, we can categorize animals separately, we can categorize the sounds of things separately and in a various manners. Similarly, when we did an exercise of clapping, stamping, snapping, everything, even those sounds were different. Now, to make it more interesting, here I have a small exercise. Okay, I have few objects with me and I will be making some sounds using those objects where you will be able to identify even things have got different sound. Now what is this? This is a board marker, right? When I tap, You are able to find the difference in the sound? Yes. Shall I do it again? So, the board marker is making a different sound. Now, what is this? This is a duster. When I tap it, was the sound of the marker and the duster the same? No, they were different. Is there a difference? Yes, there is a difference because this is a plastic, this is a wood. So there is a difference in the texture and there is a difference even in the sound made by the different objects. Now, the next object I have is key, right? What is this? It is key. Can you hear the sound? Yes. Is the sound of the key, the duster and the marker the same? No. All the three are different. Again, it is a metal. So, the sounds made by the metal are different from the sounds made by wood and the plastic. Right? Coming to the next object. What is this? It is a plate. Now, when I hit the plate with this marker, is the sound same? No. Again, the sound is different. Why? Because again, the metal used in making a plate is different from the other metals which we have used before. It's different, right? So, what did we learn from this exercise? This exercise helped us to know that when the materials are different, the noise made by them is also different. And we can categorize the different sounds through the texture or the make of the material. So, did you enjoy the patterns of sounds? Was it interesting to learn? I definitely hope that you would have enjoyed this exercise and do practice it even at house so that you also enjoy the different pattern sounds made through the different objects.